Yo, red days hit like jazz rain on the window pane. Portfolio bleeding, losses stacking like cocaine. Charts live for more fried, my brain stuck in the pain. But I grip the blueprint, no quit, weather the hurricane. Lessons in the L's, each dip a twisted tail. R&B soul crying, but techno heart won't fail. From zero to hero, watch the comeback sell.
Losses come crashing, but we rise from the blue. Stick to your guns, let the winners break through. Trading's wild ride, jazz notes in a storm.
Back with you, chat. AI Trading Futures. You saw what happened there through the circles of what we thought was going to happen. I took the impulse, went directly the way it's supposed to, but I had to take that loss you saw in that last video. I did get back in and make a couple of pretty big hits. Saw these drawings. Obviously, I'm in total out of sync with the market, total out of sync with Eve. Not a very good day today. Percentage of winning trades is okay. You see the rest of it right there. Being fully transparent. Now we're on a loss for the week. Minus 766 on the week. Ideally, but right now our goals can only be to try to have $5,000 positive after commissions by the close of business on Friday. If you read the free guides down below, like and subscribe, comment. Having one of those very bad blow up days that they always say is coming, but you watched all the videos, you got to this point in the videos, you know that I hadn't had any of those. The biggest loss so far has been $5,000. So a lot of green days.
Order filled.
Taking what she says, let's see what happens here.
Order filled. Order rejected.
All right, we DCA'd, and we just can't touch a winner today that had no momentum, or I was late, one or the other. We're just going to call it like we see it today. Maybe we'll get down to the bottom of this channel, make a little green here. Trading at lunch. Shouldn't be doing that. 11:32 in Central. In New York City. This is going to be the last video I cut before I go to lunch. It is what it is. It's on the screen. It's real. No jump cuts, no editing. You got to take the good with the bad. You got to see how humans can make all the difference in the world. You watch the videos from today and read the transcripts or upload the transcripts. You'll see late to entries. I was talking to you guys looking at the wrong screen and then chasing trades, getting into them late. Just everything that can happen I did today, including this one. I was late. Should have paid me off in that candle right there. But let's just see if we get any more momentum. I'm just trying to make some back.
Order filled.
I'm not going to risk it because I was late. Took out another 16.25 right there. Works like a champ. Look, a classic 2-to-1. Still selling. There's no reason in this exchange right here that I should not have been banked and made up that 14,000 in loss. All right, so I'm back up now. 22,897 minus 20840, up 2,000 on the week in that little trade. Not going to push it here. Not going to chase that. Yes, I could still be in it, but if you go back and watch the videos from today, I'm extremely shell-shocked. Made some good trades. $43,380 in winning trades since 6 p.m. last night. And so, but that one, go back and look at the videos. I'm not even going to go back on my chart to show you. You can go back and see it where I got that break of the VWAP down, and it came back on me, and I was just letting it come back, totally forgetting I had set myself a limit in Trade Evade of my max daily loss. Hit the max daily loss and then went 10 points in my direction. Over about $4,000 or $5,000 measly dollars, I needed more in drawdown. So I had to pause, I had to go in Trade Evade, I had to reinstate, turn my account back on. And now we're trading, and we had one bad beat right here and put us back over. So I feel like getting in here, but we're having a sell-off on some kind of news or something. Don't matter. She's told me again it's a pivot right there, 25 more contracts. I'm just scared of it. I'm scared of it. It's at 11:34 their time, and that's probably why it's selling.
Order filled.
I'm not going to miss a falling knife here. I'm going to go ahead and try to do it.
Order rejected.
Break down that top range and see what happens. I'm not going to let it go too far. Here comes the buyers. I did chase it. You get to see me chase another one.
Order filled.
I am out. I'm not going to let it run against all my money again like before. I'm going to just get back in. She still wants me to be in it. I chased that one big time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just going to take them out and try to chunk it back down. I should not have gotten out of that last trade. You see what I'm saying? How you get on tilt chat and you start second guessing yourself? Look at this. This was nothing but a sell-off and a flag. A sell-off, a flag, a sell-off, a flag. This should have paid me off if I wasn't on tilt from all the losses earlier today. Do it again.
Order filled.
He's saying it's still a VWAP break. Now, is this the time that it does go? Or is it the time that I stay in it? Do I DCA?
Order rejected.
Having some kind of sell-off here. Maybe we make our money. Let's see what's happening.
Order filled.
Another 4,300 out. Obviously, this is a news event. She's telling me, she just told me at this pullback right here, she said add 50. Now, I don't have the margin to do that, but she knew what was going on because she's watching FinHub, she's watching Financial Juice, she's watching Baja, and she's watching the free Bloomberg. So she's gathering all that in. So some kind of news catalyst happened in here, and it actually started happening here. Let's look at those points we could have got. You just saw me erase a lot of money, so I'm feeling a little bit better about that. So right there to there, 96 points, and these are 30-second candles. So let me show you another little way to do that. Still selling. Price range over time, you can see it. I'll just pull it here for you because I can do it the other way. Watch this. Right there. Look at that run, 101. You see the time. The time is from 10:29 to 10:45, 10:44. Started at 10:29, 10:44. Not a long time to lose 101 points. Pretty rapid. That indicator. Pretty rapid there, chat. Where are we at on the week? 22,897. Not supposed to count your money at the table, they say, but this has been one of those hell of a days. All right, I'll take it. 4,082 on the week. That's still averaging more than 1,000 a day, but it's a tough pill to swallow, chat. Hard as hell. Excuse my French, actually. You watch these videos from today, you're going to get a lesson on what not to do. And go ahead and beat up on me in the chat. I won't even consider it trolling. Troll away. It's my fault. There gum. Here comes the reversal. Not going to touch it. Not going to touch it. She's double in over there. A red end and a green end. Both ways the last 30-second candle. It is 11:38 their time. Shouldn't have been trading. I'm glad I got back in here. I didn't put my rules in place there because this was one heck of a run there. Don't know what news is out there. Let's just go ahead and go and see what might be happening here. I'm normally not worried about it. Look at that. China said to hope stock market will force U.S. to talk. So that means that just like traders thought, that rare earth is just a ploy to get Donald Trump to the table. I don't know who they think they're messing with. He'll run this thing all the way down. He doesn't care. When we'll short it all the way down, right? No way do we give into that. Rare earth. You need to put a hurting on those people. All that needs to happen, if we don't have a correction in this, you all, in this term with this president, we will be kneeling, and picture that in the worst possible way I could mean it. We'll be kneeling and bending over to China for generations. Our kids, our grandkids, our great-grandkids for generations if we don't handle this right now. Break of the VWAP with pressure. She gave me the signal. We missed it. 15-minute opening range, a rejection. Break of EMS, break of VWAP. At the lunch break, I don't know what to do here. Still flagging me signals. Bookkeeper, she's still flagging me signals. I don't know. See, this has been the story of the day, chat. Please like and subscribe, comment down below. You can go look at all these mistakes. I'm self-deprecating. I'm telling you the mistakes. I'm over here looking at the news, talk to you guys, read that China thing. I'm hearing the noise go off. I'm hearing the big imbalance on my volume pressure. And I'm getting a signal from AI, and I don't take the trade. We can't blame that on any systems, right? There's only one person to blame on that. All right, I'll be right back in case we take a trade. I want you to be in with me. Be right back.